Firstly, good morning. I want to express my thank to many people showing some kind of a friendly feeling towards me. So I want to thank.
His Holiness the Dalai Lama, to the monks and the people of Tibet, to the leaders and dignitaries and incredible performers who are here today, and to all of you gathered in this amazing room, good afternoon. And what an amazing afternoon it is. It is an honor to be among so many friends of His Holiness as we celebrate his extraordinary life of a man that we all admire and respect. I come here today on behalf of President Barack Obama to convey the birthday wishes of the American people to His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
You know, it's very special to be here with all of you. 16,000 people here in New York.
So I'm here just to celebrate His Holiness's birthday. It's such an honor to be here to celebrate this great man, this great human being, wishing his long life and happiness and that all of his wishes are fulfilled. So wonderful to be here with the Tibetan community that works so hard to give his message to all of us in the world.
I'm here to meet His Holiness the Dalai Lama. And I came from Toronto, Canada. Wow. But originally I was born in Romania.
I'm filled with joy and happiness. It was such a wonderful celebration, and I feel very, very happy and grateful that I could be here.
His Holiness, which is a huge honor, and we're rejoicing a great deal. We're here from Shantideva Meditation Center here in New York, so our whole community is so happy that His Holiness is here. Very grateful that he's taking the time.
Thank His Holiness the Dalai Lama for spending a lifetime teaching us how to feed the kind and generous and loving wolf inside our hearts. And how fortunate we are to continually be reminded by His Holiness. No one works harder than the Dalai Lama. I work hard, people here work hard, everyone said no one works harder than the Dalai Lama. Every day teaching, giving himself completely for us.
There There are very few individuals that have a truly global presence, and even fewer who have used that presence to make such a powerful and positive contribution to humanity.
And I want to go from Valerie's comments to say that it was President Obama who earlier this year at the National Prayer Breakfast in February, he said this. He said that His Holiness the Dalai Lama is a powerful example of what it means to practice compassion, who inspires us to speak up for the freedom and dignity of all human beings. President Barack Obama earlier this year. I have some wishes on His Holiness's birthday, and I wish that you all could have seen the response that that statement made at that breakfast in appreciation. Richard, you were there. You saw the response. People watching on TV saw it. I wish you all could have. For many presidents, His Holiness has been an enduring example of how world leaders must practice compassion and defend the dignity of the downtrodden. Again, another president, President Bush. I was blessed to be Speaker of the House when the Congress of the United States presented His Holiness with a Congressional Gold Medal. In 2007, Richard, you were there. I wish you could have seen at that ceremony, President Bush called His Holiness, quote, a universal symbol of peace and tolerance, a shepherd for the faithful, and the keeper of the flame of his people.
So, now today, it's the last few days, you see many people in different area, you see showing the happy birthday to you, with that word. And then I was often telling them the best gift for me at birthday is pay more attention about your own mind, your own emotion.
I think people need to pay attention to teachings such as those of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and others who look around, don't have blinders on, pay attention to who is not at the table, who is not as privileged as some of us are, and together figure out ways, with everyone together figure out ways to move forward.
Oh, I don't have any expectations because it always turns out to be much more than I anticipate. So I just leave myself open to whatever I'm going to be receiving because it's just every experience. Every time I see His Holiness, it's just such a wonderful experience. Yeah. And there's something else to learn every time. I mean, it's something that he says and I say, you heard what he said? Yeah.
Now, 80 years old person is passing through difficult life. At age 16, I lost my freedom. At the age 24, I lost my own country. There are a lot of problems. During this period, the best friend, best reliable friend is my own intelligence or warm-heartedness. That really gives me inner strength, inner peace. So I want to share my brothers, sisters, and particularly those young brothers, sisters. Now please pay some attention about our inner value so that your life can be more peaceful, more happier one.
Pretty much been following him for about 20 years. And we've gone to a couple of his teachings and volunteered at his teachings and just being in presence is empowerment.
The way I would speak about the Dalai Lama is to say that I hold him in the greatest respect and awe. He seems to see things clearly and help us all clarify the steps we should take for the sake of humanity.
So I think today's world, we very much oriented about material value. I think not sufficient pay attention about our inner value, so that if something goes wrong slightly, or shouting, anger, frustration, if we pay more attention about our inner value, then no matter what sort of surrounding situation, you can keep peace of mind.
I really appreciate the empowerment. You know, I like and really enjoy listening to the more academic teachings. You know, the middle stages of meditation and Nagarjuna. But I really find a lot of just awe and amazement during ritual. So when you see His Holiness actually visualizing the deities and imagining the nectar and the other ritual aspects, it's really incredible. And then also just the outpouring of love and support for his birthday is just very moving. You know, especially all the U.S. government support and everything else is.
He is just so precious. His mind is so beautiful, and his heart is so big. And with all of the obstacles that he has had in his life, and how he cares for the Tibetans and everyone in the world, but particularly with the difficulties that the Tibetans have suffered since in the 1950s, that he still is so beautiful, so perfect, so clear, so kind, wants to solve the problems between China and Tibet peacefully as human beings. And for him to be able to do that and to model that behavior to us is just something to behold, and we can really learn that from him.
If you encounter His Holiness the Dalai Lama, follow his example. He's so inspiring. If we all could do that, the world would be a much better place.
Oh, I wish His Holiness the Dalai Lama to be the leader of the world. He's an amazing human being. He's very kind, loving. He respects all sentient beings, and especially animals as well. So I adore His Holiness the Dalai Lama. He's very special. We thank him so much.